Hi everyone, let's see how you can enable the Windows Photo Viewer app in Windows 11. Simply download the file from the link given in the video description. Extract the file after downloading. Now you will get two files inside it. Simply open the Enable Windows Photo Viewer. Click on Yes. Click on Yes again and OK. That's it. Now go to your Windows settings. From here go to Apps and click on Default Apps. Now from this list find Photos. Click on it. Now find the extension of images like .jpeg, .jpg, click on them, select Windows Photo Viewer and set it as default. You can do it for the file types you want. I am setting for .jpg, .jpeg and .png. That's it. Now whenever you open any images, it will get opened using the Windows Photo Viewer app. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.